So where are we going tonight, man? It's a nice night.
We're going to camping, man.
Where is that camping?
It's right up there,
Right up there, where?
Blueberry Hill.
How far is that from
It
here?
is 6 miles away from here.
Okay,
All right, so you're coming along with us,
I
right?
think so.
Okay, let's
Okay
go.
then, let's go then. Jake, is there snacks around here?
No.
Okay, let's
Okay
go
then,
then.
let's go then.
Oh. We're almost there.
Okay, fine.
Oh my god, my feet is so hurt.
There's the right over there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That looks scary, man. That looks scary.
Okay.
Here, come.
Now, we're going to tomorrow morning. We start the journey again.
Okay.
Wow, the stars are beautiful tonight.
Yeah. So what are we gonna do now?
Did you hear that?
No.
What's that?
I know, Edgy. What are you afraid of? Let us sleep and enjoy what we enjoy.
Don't worry, everything's gonna be okay. I don't think there's nothing there. We're just hearing
Are you
things
sure?
crawling around. Nothing is there. I don't see anything. You see anything?
I hope so.
Okay.
Hello? Is anybody there? Hello?
Nobody's there. Just sit right down.
That's not okay.
Oh, I heard something.
No,
That's so too.
nothing is there. I don't think so.
I ain't a pig.
Okay. Be careful.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay. Jake! Jake, are you okay?
Jake! Jake! I gotta go find him, man. You guys sit down here and I'm gonna go look for him. Okay? I'll be right back.
Okay, be careful.
Okay.
Run! Run!
Hey! Hey, it's me, it's me, it's me.
Emma! 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 Emma!
No, it looked like she's dead.
What?
She's dead.
Oh no! Oh no, this can't be true.
We need to get help. We need to get help. So we gotta go this way. I think. Let's go this way. Come. Leave her. Whoa! Let's go, come.
Oh my God, Sarah, what are you doing here?
Someone is chasing me with a knife. I was with my boyfriend Jack and I can't find him.
What?
Hey, and Jake is missing too. Yo, we gotta go find Jake and Jack. Let's go. I think he's dead. I think he's dead.
No, Jake!
Yes, he's dead.
Jake!
Dead. He's dead. Oh, there's Jack over there. I found Jack. I think he's alive. Hey, Jack, you know where they are? Who is it? Who is it? What happened?
Stupid guy with the tall hair. Trying to kill me, man.
Okay,
I think I know where it's at.
where?
Get me up, get me up. Wait, he's heading down here.
Okay, let's go. We gotta find this person, but be careful.
Can't see a goddamn thing, man. Hey, let's check out this house.
Let me look in this house. Let's check out this house. No one is in there. No one's in there.
Where's Sarah?
Where? Wasn't Sarah just here?
Yeah, she was there. I don't know where she's gone.
What is happening here?
I don't know.
Oh my God. Where is she? Oh, I think I see her.